It says, according to the numerical model, what has been the trend of females joining the workforce since 1954? So in 1954, this is some statistical data, and I'm not quite sure what it's in. It's probably in millions. Oh no, it's a percentage. It says here, it says table 1.6 below showing the percentage of female and male population. So 32% of the female population was in the workforce, while 83.5% of the males were in the workforce. Okay? And then what we want to do is we want to compare that to 2004 when this data was last collected. So what you see here is you see an increase of women in the workforce. Nearly, well, a little more than half, 57% of all women were entering into the workforce in the year 2004, compared to 32.3% in 1954. Now, if you look at the males, you have a decrease, 80%, 83.5% down to 71.9%. And as you can see, Mr. Adams has made some notes here. There's an increase in the female population, or percentage, 2.8% from 1954 to 1959. And I've got little notes here. There's a decrease in the male population, 1.2%. And I've gone through and I've found the differences in how much they've either increased or decreased. And so part A of question 11 says, according to the numerical model, what has been the trend of females joining the workforce since 1954? How would you write that in words? What would you say? Well, the textbook says there's been an increase. However, there is a slight drop from 1999 to 2004, right? The highest was 1999, and it was 58.5%, and it dropped back down a little bit in 2004. But overall, from 1954 to 2004, there's been a significant increase. Part B says, in what 5-year interval did the percent of women who were employed change the most? Well, you'd have to calculate it all, but it looks like it increased the most from 1974 to 1979. How do I know that? Because it increased 4.9%. Any other change, whether increase or decrease, it wasn't as high of a percentage. Does that make sense? And so that's how you're going to do the rest of those homework.